Welcome to Excel Logic Pro. Today I'm going to teach you how to sum up the largest number in Excel. How to use large function in summing or in adding large numbers in Excel. Yeah. Let us start. As normal, start with the equal sign, then sum large, then open bracket. I want to sum the seven largest number in this range, from this one up to this one, from AE2 up to AN2. So I want to sum up only 7 largest number in this range. To do so, highlight this one. So is sum bracket large, then my range, comma, sum of the first number, bracket, then comma, large, open bracket. This is my range, the second number, comma, large, in this range, comma 3, then large, in this range, comma 4, comma, large, in this range, comma 5, comma, large, in this number, comma 6, comma, large, comma 7. So this formula means that we take the summation of 7 largest number in this range. So the first largest number in this range is 5, so 5 will be taken. The second largest number is 4, so it will be taken. The first is 5, is taken. The second also is 5, is taken. Next is the third is 5 also, that is 15. And the fourth is 4, that is 19. Another is 3, the fifth, which is 22. Also the sixth number is 3. Now will be 25. And the last, which is the seventh number, 7 number is 2, which will be 27. So this is how you can find the largest number. So this one, number 1, also number 1, this one, and the number 1 is not added because this is the smallest number. We take only 7 largest number, but starting with 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, and the last is 2. So this is how you can find the largest number in the range. After that, as you can see, this is the answer. So drag to other cells so as other students can have also these points. Let's say right here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. When you find the 7 largest number in this range, because there is only one number in this, there is the same number which is 1 in this range, so number 1 will be taken. So the first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why the point here is 7. But when you take 5, say we write 5 here, so the 5 will be taken first, and the other 6 will be added to 5 so as to complete 7 number, which will be 11. When I add another number 4, this one and this one will be taken first, so 9, and remain with the 5 number, so 9 plus 5 will be 14. So this is how you can find the largest number. So the number which will be taken first is the largest number in the range. Then the next will be taken the second largest number up to the end. Yeah. So, but for example, I want to sum up many largest numbers. So instead of writing long formula, I can use this indirect, low indirect. Let's say, let me use the indirect formula to find the largest number. You can say is equal to sum, then largest number, large, open bracket, then this is our range. You come to the range, here, comma, then row, bracket, indirect, then open bracket, say number 1 up to 7. So this formula will add the 7 largest number. Instead of writing long formula, you can use this formula. So sum of largest number from this range, AE2 up to AN2, then low comma low bracket, indirect, then 1 to 7. So the largest number from number 1 up to the 7th number. After that, close bracket, then hold or press Control with Shift at the same time, then click enter, because this is the array formula. So to display the correct answer, you must press Control and Shift at the same time, then click enter. Yes, as you can see, this is the A form. After that, drag. This is how you can sum up the largest number from the range. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.